Yeah, has to be the second duel of the night, because the other second duel of the night, I just disconnected me from the server. Oh, there we go. Now we have the chat. First I didn't have the chat. Last time I didn't have the chat. The heck? Need to get Zeta. So we'll go Fafnir. It's gonna get, or I could just, no. Nova. Could have just took the Midion's Drytron. Alpha Tribute Ben 10. Special. Another Ben 10. Another Ben 10. Nova. Zeta. Like Reba. Get Zeta in there, Zeta, Benton, Effect, Ritual, add, Benton. Like running out of Bentons here. Orange light. In case he tries to Nibiru me, I think that was more than one. No, that's only 3 summons. And from here, we'll go to a Union Carrier. Activate effect, target himself. Equip Dawn Knight. Activate Midion's Drytron. Ben 10 from the grave. Use Union Carrier. Dawn Knight's effect. Gonna dump. I already have. We could go for Delta so we get on the draw here. Gonna dump Delta. Gonna dump Gamma. Summon effect, reveal a ritual spell like monster. Draw a card, another Herald. Okay. Midion's Drytron. Decrease. Okay. Gamma for Benton? Yeah. Oh. Last time I should have just went with... Yeah. That's only gonna give me monster gates. So I think I'll go Gamma. And do the other Benton. Effect special. Grave. Benton. Eva. See, I could have went for Ultimate Miss, but do I go for Ultimate Miss? Yeah, I think I do go for Ultimate Miss on this one. And then if I tribute these two, I'll get the Eva. Okay, yeah. Midion's Drytron. Herald of the Ultimateness. Tribute. Special. Fanny's ruler. Those two. Okay, I was like, where do I get the Eva? Here we go. Here we get the Eva now. Eva. Hey, he knew it. Yeah. Let's do this. Flawless. Victory. Perfect. Troll and Lockbird. These two. These three. I don't even know what he's playing. He's just make sure that chain, all on the chain, is clicked right away, so I can shotgun Troll and Lockbird, or Artifact Lancia. There we go, we got the chat now, I can say GG. All, there we go. I click all right away. Round 2. Do it! Okay, now just shotgun Lancia. Oh, no, okay. Oh, it's a Danger Dark World? Danger Dark World. Let's do this. Flawless victory. Perfect. Okay, yeah, that was duel 2. I'm 2 for 2 now. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.